we go. Now, this is my PEX piping that for my redneck life right now, I'm just gonna not even really attach it, just put it there and then let the water flow naturally, like right there. But to know how much pipe I need for that angle, so maybe that doesn't make a good didgeridoo, but I had to try. Now, here we go. Okay. One-handed. This may be justification to buy one of them cameras. The ones I can wear. I just don't want to be in editing land for too long. But, you know, I want to live my life and not have to spend it editing my documentation of my life. All right. So if I cantilever it, whee, this way. Let's see here. Okay. And then go like this. And then go like this. So I'm going to cut it like right there. Then, let's see how long this takes me. Oh shit. Camera fell into the sink. Thankfully it's dry. Yay! Wow, that was a hot situation. The soap fell into the trash. And broke. Potentially. If only I recorded that. Oh yeah, it definitely broke. Cracked. Okay, now that's done. That's not necessary. That's dry. All right, let's see if this works, which I think it will. To know for sure, I gotta run hot water so I can ask Becky. Do not flush. People should know that, but just in case. Fine. Okay. Done. Ta-da!